because when we were forming the narrative of Delhi on the ground, there were three cardinal issues which people were facing. A, they did not have clean drinking water. B, they were tired because there were basic amenities, whether it is good road, clean city was not there. And three, they saw Mr. Kejriwal as a corrupt man, not as an honest man.
We have a tweet coming from the Prime Minister. First reaction post this thumping win. Janashakti is paramount. Development wins. Pradeep, stay with us. Good governance triumphs. I bow to my dear sisters and brothers of Delhi for this resounding and historic mandate for Bharatiya Janata Party. We are humbled and honored to receive these blessings. It is our guarantee that we will leave no stone unturned in developing Delhi, improving the overall quality of life for the people and ensuring that Delhi has a prime role to play in building a Viksit Bharat. A futuristic vision reflected in Prime Minister Modi's first reaction after a massive win for Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi, where he starts attributing this win to the development, to the good governance. In fact, also saying that the party is humbled and honored. This is the second tweet by the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, that he is humbled and honored to receive these blessings. And Janashakti is paramount. Yes, Pradeep, as we stay with this tweet of the Prime Minister. The power of people is paramount. That's what the Prime Minister says.
Absolutely, Sakal. The people of Delhi, as they say, have defeated lies and falsehood and deceit and corruption, and they have believed in Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a man who is known for delivering good governance. The people of Delhi for the last many years wanted to see Delhi as a Viksit city, a city with modern amenities, a city with corruption-free governance, and the only hope for them was Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this is what the ground sentiment was. If you look at in the last 10 years, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had promised many things, but on the ground when we travelled and when we spoke to the citizens of Delhi, residents of Delhi, none of that was delivered. And our entire campaign under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji was purely focused on these issues, and this is what we resonated in our campaign. This is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi called Arvind Kejriwal's party as Aapda, because it could not deliver either on the moral plank or on the basic amenities plank. We are extremely thankful to the people of Delhi who gave us this mandate under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, and we assure them that we will work tirelessly to ensure that Delhi becomes a modern city with Viksit Delhi, Viksit Bharat.